Hi, my name is Chris Davis, and I'm with Swift Engine. We are the first turnkey serverless Swift platform for app development. In this video, we're going to discuss sets with Redis. The first thing I'm going to have you do is go to the Swift Engine site and log in. Next, we'll go to the file manager, and we are going to create a new file. I'm going to call mine sets.ssp. Once that's done, you can go ahead and open it. And as in the previous videos, we're going to start by connecting to the Redis database. And to do that, we need to initialize the Redis instance and then set up our connection. We'll catch the error at the bottom if there is one, hopefully not. After we've connected, the first thing we're going to do is try to add members to this set. So we'll do a try redis.sadd, and we are going to add to the superpowers, and we will just add a member of X-ray vision. We'll add one more, and we will just call this reflexes. And then lastly, what we're going to do is we are going to get the set and we're going to print it out. So we'll do let result equal try redis.s members, and this is going to be for superpowers. And then we will just write that out. So once that's done, we can go ahead, save and close. And then we will go ahead and navigate to the page and see what we get. So we navigate there and we see we have our two members, reflexes and X-ray vision. So the next thing we're going to do is go ahead back into the sets.ssp file, and we're going to try to remove one. So I want to remove X-ray vision. So instead of doing the sadd, we're going to do the srem, and we'll do that. So now our result should just contain reflexes. You can go ahead and save and close that, and then if you want to go back over to the page, reload it, and you'll see it just contains reflexes like we expected. That's using sets with Redis.